Hi, my name is Jason Frantz, and I'm one of the co-founders of Sigma. I'm here today to talk about how exploration works in our product. So when we started building Sigma, we had several goals in mind. One was that we wanted to make it very accessible so that people who knew Excel could build maybe 99% of what someone who was a skilled SQL developer could do. But another thing that we wanted to do was to make it so that even someone like me who knows SQL well could do things quicker, they could do things easier, they could do things more reliably than I could do by hand. So let's take a simple data set. Let's say I have hotels. I have, for each hotel, I have the city it's in, the address, the company that owns the hotel, and the number of rooms in that hotel. So if I start looking at hotels on different levels of granularity, I can quickly come up with interesting questions. But once I want to look at more than one level of granularity at a time, I quickly go beyond what existing tools do. So here I have the data set first grouped by city, and then I'm grouping by company, and then I have all the individual hotels. If I want to start building this level of hierarchy, if I want to start building references between the different levels, I have to start writing this by hand. This can take 5 or 10 minutes to, for each single query that I'm going to write. And I have to start using complex aggregations. I have to start doing joins. I have to start doing some interesting window functions just to specify these things. And so what Sigma is that it allows you to do all these things. It allows you to build all these interesting questions and answer them, often just with a single click or two in order to change. Now, let's say I change my mind about how I want to organize this data set. I ask one question, I answer it, that leads me to another question. I can flip this around, I can change the hierarchy, do that with a single click. That's the power of Sigma, and that's the heart of our exploration.